Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to process multiple PDF files in PDFsam Basic in 2026. Let's get started. First, open PDFsam Basic on your computer and wait for it to load. Next, choose the tool that fits your task. You can select Merge to combine multiple PDF files, Split to divide PDFs into smaller files, or Alternate Mix if you need to mix pages from two PDF documents. Now click Add or Browse and select all the PDF files you want to process. You can also drag and drop multiple files into the application. If necessary, rearrange the files into the order you want. After that, configure the available settings. Choose the output folder and adjust any options required for the selected tool. When you're ready, click the Run button. PDFsam Basic will begin processing your PDF files. Wait until the process is complete. Finally, open the output folder and verify that your processed PDF files were created successfully. That's it. You've successfully processed multiple PDF files in PDFsam Basic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.